Good afternoon, class. Today I'll be substituting for Miss Guppy. I hope you're excited because she left an awesome course plan for y'all. Look forward to learning more about pedigrees and modes of inheritance. Today we will specifically explore the Pickles family. If you have watched or seen references from this classic childhood television show, you may be familiar with a particular trait that stands out from this family. That's right, pickle-shaped noses. Without having seen the TV show, you can still pick out some of the pickle family based on their nose type. Can you spot any? But wait, you may have noticed or will soon realize that not everyone in the family has the trait. This will be explored in the following slides. Before we continue, do you know what a pedigree is? According to the NIH, a pedigree is a genetic representation of a family tree that diagrams the inheritance of a trait or disease through several generations. The pedigree shows the relationship between family members and indicates which individuals express or silently carry the trait in question. Let's take a close look at the pickle family tree. As you can see, we have Lulu, Lou, Minka, and Boris in the first generation, Carlotta, Julio, Hugo, and Dee Dee in the second generation, and Angelica, Tommy, and Dill representing the third generation. And here, Miss Guppy labeled the males with squares and females with circles. Any affected members, aka with a pickle nose, have their symbol colored in. This is the standardized system for pedigrees, so now it may be easier to identify a clear division in family members. If you are curious why, then you're in luck. A way to investigate this is through testing 5 different modes of inheritance. Firstly, X-linked dominance. This means that pickle family members with the pickle nose will have a gene on their X chromosome that acts dominant. As you can see, we work through generation to generation, and Angelica proves to be inconsistent. To break this down, her dad would need to pass down the dominant pickle gene, but we observe that she does not exhibit this trait. X-linked recessive, on the other hand, means that the pickle family members with the pickle nose would have a gene on their X chromosome that acts recessive. In other words, members without pickle noses act dominant. With this given scenario, it is a plausible model of inheritance. Then there is autosomal dominant, and this disregards for our intents and purposes the sex chromosomes, but similar to X-linked dominance means the pickle trait is dominant and it works. Opposites again. Autosomal recessive means the pickle trait is recessive on the autosomal chromosomes, and it too could be a mode of inheritance within the pickle family. Lastly, and unfortunately not an explanation for nose trait inheritance, Y-linked. Notably, Minka has a pickled nose, but is also a woman and therefore does not have a Y chromosome. As the name suggests, Y-linked means the men would have the nose gene on their Y chromosome,